Hi, my name is Mike Ciampo. I'm a lieutenant in the FDNY. I'd like to go over a tactic for opening up sheetrock walls or drywall when checking for fire extension. Normally, most firefighters are taught to pull with tools to open up, as can be seen by the firefighter behind me when he's trying to open up a wall. As we saw in the video, the firefighter expelled a lot of energy in opening up the wall, and he really didn't get a large area open. What I'd like to demonstrate is a method called the punch technique of opening up sheetrock walls. The firefighter, while checking for extension, will take his hook and he's going to attempt to make relief cuts into the drywall or sheetrock. You can take the hook and make small cuts. The firefighter has made relief cuts in this drywall, so now that we can begin to open it up, and it should come down in larger pieces, requiring less energy. If you notice, I didn't make any cuts across the bottom of the punch. The reason being is when the sheetrock will be pulled down, the weight of it will crack and open itself up. Initially, when you make your first purchase, just don't tear with the hook. Gently give it a few tugs so we can release some of the nails. Now you can see you've released some of the nails. Now you're in position, you just gently tug and you can see the amount of area that I'm opening up compared to our initial hole. The punch technique can be also done with numerous types of hand tools, such as the Halligan. Normally, firefighters like to open up a sheetrock wall with the point or the adze end. Now I'd like to demonstrate the punch technique using the Halligan tool. One of the main key things to remember is not to place your hand over the butt end of the tool and jam it into the wall. You could get an impact injury when you hit the wall stud. Maintain the hand on the shaft. Now we can come over to the wall and we can just make our relief cuts. Now that our relief cuts are made, we'll come over with the adze and we'll gently pull. And we'll get that wall open very quickly. Now we're going to demonstrate a firefighter using a D-handle hook to open up a wall. As you can see, he's really not getting that much open. With the D-handle hook, we can also perform the punch technique. But before that, anytime you throw a D-handle hook into a wall or ceiling, maintain your hand on the shaft. If you're like this and you do hit a stud, you can cause an impact injury to your wrist. Now, performing the punch technique with the D-handle. You'll turn the hook around and you'll come over and you can just cut. Now again, gently, don't be so eager to pull, and we'll get we can open up a larger section of wall. You can also use the punch technique on a ceiling to open up. You have to be very careful when it hinges with your hook that it doesn't come back and hit you. Gently give it a snap, wiggle, and again, same procedure. Remember, anytime we're going to put our hook down, don't lay it on a floor or a bed. It's going to get lost with the debris when you pull down from the ceiling. Hang it on a door where you know where it is, and it's easy to retrieve. Remember, using the punch technique to open up or in overhaul operations will make things easier and also cause less exertion on the firefighter.